Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check how much time on average you spend on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first get into settings. Then scroll down until you find battery, and on that screen you can get the detailed statistics about using your battery on that particular device. You can switch data from 24 hours, the last 24 hours, and the last 10 days. I can hit right here at last 10 days, and then I'm gonna scroll down, and right here you can see a statistic for that particular device. Average screen time is 2 hours and 17 minutes for the last 10 days, and average screen off time is 2 hours and 39 minutes. And also you can scroll down and check the statistics for each individual app. You can switch the display from percentages to minutes in that simple way. And let's say I want to check the statistics for Instagram app. Here it is. For the last 10 days, I've spent 3 hours and 3 minutes using Instagram, including 2 hours and 54 minutes on the screen and 9 minutes on the background. And in the same way, you can check statistics for each particular app. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.